Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and I'll be getting ready to go on the road. Yes, an actual get ready with me. So I'm just going to play some music and just do my makeup. So I use the Deezer app to play music. So right now I'm listening to J. Cole Middle Child, and I'm just going to let the flow flow. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys.
So bright, I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody.
about to see it. Which one may I go?
Straight. Hi guys, so I'm giving you a little vlog of my day because my camera died when I was recording the makeup look, so you didn't even get to see the complete look. So this is it. Okay, the camera focus. Yeah. So me and my best friend, we're doing road. Hi. This is
Officially in the
Debbie.
driver's seat.
Oh yes, I'm being, they call it chauffeur driven.
No.
I'm just a passenger today.
Oh, okay.
Usually I'm the driver, but it's reversed now because Debbie's a real hot girl. Hot girl. Hot girl summer. And Danny is here. Her sister, her twin. Not her twin, but they look like twins.
Better looking twin.
Oh yes.
My mama crush.
Debbie.
You run the car off on the road with the foolish.
So I'll be taking you guys along with us. We're running with us like errands. You don't call it errands, right?
Errands-ish. One of our friends is preggers, and we're gonna take her a gift. You know, COVID time, so the shower thing limited. So we're
You can turn
taking
here.
into Scotia.
Yes, we're going to Sovereign.
Oh, Sovereign. Right. Sorry.
Yeah,
So
so
go to the pizza van now.
that's what we'll be doing today. So stay tuned. So guys, we're in the store and we have to put on our masks. So
Hope you know, usually I ride solo. Ain't bout the games, ain't got nothing on the low. You tryna cuff me, you better call the popo. Let these know that's the motto. Ooh, but boy, when it comes to you, I'm hypnotized by the things you do. And when I look into your eyes, the only way that I can describe it.
I'll never leave you, Debbie. So Debbie is doing her face because she was late, so I didn't get to glam
I'm
her
doing
up.
because she didn't do it, so I'm doing it because she didn't do it.
Yes.
By the way, why make we look good? We look clean.
we look good.
We look nice.
Nice.
God, you wait. Let me fix the makeup. Say that. Why I didn't make I said that part? God, you fix
Yeah,
me.
white. I don't usually wear white. It
Me
does
either.
look.
It look nice and
Yeah,
clean.
but knowing me,
I made the video look bright.
yeah.
We know do not
Guys, I
forget
have
to
on
subscribe.
lashes. Oh my gosh, those Morphe lashes are so cute. They just look like you're wearing mascara, right? It looks like I just have on a nice mascara. I'd have to order. I don't have any more, but they're really
My
nice.
birthday's
Oh my
coming up in
gosh.
July.
You're born in November.
And July.
You see what I have to deal with this? I have to deal with this for 15 years.
You can do my brows because you do my brows better than me.
Naturally. No offense.
None taken. Sorry, language.
BRB guys, I'm going to do Debbie's brows.
Because I'm so beautiful.
Guys, Debbie made me cry.
Because I'm so beautiful.
Joke is the AC. So I just need to fix myself and then we're good to go on the road. So when I tell you I have the best friend ever, okay? Just look. Are you seeing that? Pasta and garlic bread. Oh!
I didn't cook, my mom did.
It doesn't matter. The thing is, she
But
planned
I
it.
ordered it, yeah.
Right. So we're good to go. The Saturday has started well. Like,
Saturday are done, girl.
it was what time?
2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Well, the day gone good.
So I drive this way, right? Come taxi me,
Where
because
we go? Phoenix?
Phoenix.
Yeah. So guys, that is it. That's the end of the vlog. I mean, we didn't really do much, and well, we went and dropped off the gift and had like a little movie evening, but I didn't take any clips of that. So I'm back home now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is the makeup. It held up the entire day. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer is actually really nice. Yes, so Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below. Follow me on Instagram, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about the makeup aspect and the vlog in one. Let me know what you guys think about that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.